Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you this 2020 Aston Martin Vantage, finished in magnetic silver, which is a wonderful colour. Let's take a look around the car. So the first thing you'll notice is it's got black detailing, so it's got the black pack on the exterior, which gives you this black front, splitter and grille surround, black at the bottom of the sill, and black window surrounds. So everything matches really well with these wonderful wheels, with the directional wheels with the black inserts, which are in perfect condition, as is the paintwork here. Coming around to the back, more of that black pack. Just get a bit of perspective. That's on the rear bumper lowers. It's a body-coloured rear diffuser, if you can make that out, and then of course the quad sports exhaust, which makes a fantastic sound, also black. Now we pop the boot. Really decent sized boot on the Vantage, great for being able to carry enough for a week's travel. This partition drops down, and then you've also got space behind the rear seats for a bit of extra soft luggage or coats and so on. Yeah, really nice sized boot for a sports car like this. Coming down the passenger side, again, everything's in wonderful condition. The alloy wheels are perfect there. Let's take a look in the interior. So this is finished with this beautiful Alcantara, which just makes it feel so sporty in the cabin. Really comfortable. And the seats look great, and you can see it's all across the dashboard as well, and the roof lining. So the cabin has just such a sporty feel to it. The Aston Martin headrests, even the centre armrest is Alcantara, and those are the tracker tags there. This car has tracker fitted to it. It's got electric memory seats there, full cruise control, and electric sports steering wheel with all of your infotainment. Every Vantage comes with servicing for the first 5 services included, and of course it will have the remainder of the 3-year Aston Martin warranty. But such a sporty cabin, just a great combination. And just continuing the final bit of the car, the front near side, again, condition is just superb. So there we have it, a stunning magnetic silver Vantage, lovely colour combination, beautiful interior, ready to be enjoyed. Now this car can be reserved on our website, or alternatively you can call us and we can arrange contactless delivery. Thank you for watching.